next question is like this, children. So we are going to discuss on electromagnetism one question, children. Question is, what is galvanometer? Please listen. I am after telling full question. You tell me, children. What is galvanometer? How can you convert galvanometer into ammeter? How can you convert galvanometer into voltmeter? And what is zero error? What is positive error? And what is negative error? These are the questions. How do you do this? First one, what is a galvanometer? Galvanometer is an instrument which is used to
detect current.
detect current. If you want to measure, means it is an ammeter, children. Galvanometer is the only instrument which is used to detect current. How do you convert galvanometer into ammeter? I want to convert galvanometer into ammeter. If I want to convert galvanometer into ammeter, see children, this is galvanometer. Imagine this is galvanometer. To galvanometer, in parallel, I have to connect one high resistance. The small this resistance which I am connecting is called shunt resistance. To the galvanometer, if any resistance I connect high resistance in parallel, that will become ammeter. But ammeter is always connected in series. But ammeter is always connected in series. Okay, how do you convert galvanometer into ammeter? A high resistance is connected in parallel to galvanometer, converts into ammeter. To the galvanometer, take one galvanometer, connect one high resistance in parallel. High resistance in parallel. This whole instrument is now an ammeter, but ammeter is connected in series. This is how you will convert a galvanometer into ammeter. Okay. Now, how do you convert galvanometer into voltmeter? Take a galvanometer and connect a low resistance in series. Connect a low resistance in series. Then this whole instrument is called voltmeter, but voltmeter is always connected in
Parallel.
parallel. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel in the circuit. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel because it has high resistance. Okay, children. Next, what is zero error? Normally, whenever we are not using children, galvanometer should point at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, something is there like this. Galvanometer exactly should come at 0. If you are not using, the galvanometer pointer should exactly locate at 0. Okay, if you are not using like this, it will be there, children. Somewhere here 0 will be there, negative points will be there, children, positive points also will be there. Exactly, galvanometer should come at 0, then no error. Then if it is exactly pointing at 0, it is called zero error, no zero error. Okay, children. Suppose if it is there left. Okay, children, see here, this is 0, no children, this is 0. Okay, this is plus 1, this is minus 1, something, just I am writing values. If it is like this, children, this is called negative error. Children, this is negative error. If it is left of 0, it is left of 0, it is called negative error. If it is right of 0, if it is right of 0, means when you are not using, exactly it should point to the 0, no error. But if it is on the left side, it is called negative error. If it is there on the right side of the 0, it is called right side. If it is there on the right side of the 0, it is called positive error. Okay, so if it is negative error, this is called negative error. If it is negative error, what you will do? You will add. If it is positive error, what you will do? You will subtract. Simple, children. First only it is showing 1 means, imagine first only it is showing 1. Suppose you are getting 45 as your answer. What you will do? You will remove this one. You will get answer 44. I am telling that only. Okay, first only if it is, suppose here it is showing 45. Okay, but when you are not using it, it was one back, let's know. Now one extra you will add 46. So if it is left of 0, it is called negative error, and we will add that much negative error to the point. And if it is right of the 0, it is called positive error. How much extra is there that you will subtract? How much extra is there that you will subtract? You should be very careful. So this is galvanometer is used to measure detect the current. If you want to measure, you have to use ammeter, and if you want to measure potential difference, you have to use voltmeter. And what is zero error, what is positive zero error, and what is negative zero error, I have explained, children. Anyone have any doubts in this, children?